Okay, AP, we're going to try to make this real quick. I'm coming to you from wonderful Florence, Kentucky, which is advertised on their giant water tower as Florence, y'all. Internet's not exactly great here. Shocker. Okay, so this will not take long. The essays were just terms, so there's no great big concepts to talk about. There were some of you, most of you missed a few things, like didn't identify the nationality of one or two of the people. So we had a lot of like -1/2 British, -1/2 French, something like that. We want to have the years and the details anytime we can, but in general, we had, and we have to do this the old-fashioned way because the computer won't hook up to the internet, 4 A's and 4 B's. 4 A's and 4 B's on the terms. Pretty solid stuff, no big deal. The test. So we had the scores you have reported in the grade book are the actual scores that were released from the test, meaning there was no curve, because for the first time in, I believe, 15 years, we had a perfect score on a non-take-home test. Now, the fact that I can't be there monitoring the test, and it's just the way it is, people are going to be looking up stuff during a test in AP when you're taking it at home. Now, it's still tough to do in the time frame allowed. So I guess what I'll say is, I guess that's the benefit of, one of the few benefits of a worldwide pandemic. You know, a lot of things are crazy, so if one thing goes your way, I guess we're gonna let it go. What I'll warn you is that I think you're going to have a drastic adjustment back to sort of regular AP life when we come back to school, which looks like it's going to be, from what I'm hearing, October 19th. So the next test will probably be taken in class. Same format. I think I'm going to stick with the laptops. I believe they're going to tell you should carry a laptop to every class and have it around, but same idea, except when the bell starts, you get the test, bell rings, test has to be turned in. But with that said, other than the fact that I'm throwing away this form for all eternity, there were 5 A's, 3 B's, no curve, an average of a 60.3 or 92.9. There's my really low-tech way for you to see that. Okay, if you want to know where your score fell in there. And boy, you talk about low-tech. There is your chart. I'll put that out on the real chart later on, but you obviously went way up. And we have no questions to review because essentially that was very similar to a take-home. There were no questions that were a consistent problem. Hopefully you have the sort of mastery for the actual AP exam. I am only 5 mere hours away from home, so everything should be sort of back to normal for you. Let's see. I already have a recorded lecture for Wednesday, so everything will be back in order. Thursday, trying to get a hold of me from Wednesday at 7 a.m. on should be quite easy if you have any questions. Hope everybody has a great day.